Welcome to Zoomers RV. Today we have a 2005 Forest River Surveyor SV260, 27 foot. It has nice smooth fiberglass sides. Stripes are in decent condition. The Surveyor sticker on this side is slightly weathered. The awning is in good shape. We just had it out. Tires are good. Has a front door that goes to the bedroom and a rear door that goes to the kitchen. Has a spare tire, rear ladder. The Surveyor sticker on this side is in good shape. Slide out operates good. All the seals around the slide out are good. The tires are in good shape. Not weather checked. They're Goodyear Marathons. This green stripe right here has a couple scratches in it. Pretty minor. And the front Surveyor sticker is slightly weathered. There's a shot down the side. We'll walk in the front bedroom. Front bedroom has a nice clean brand new mattress. Corner cabinets, reading lights, overhead cabinets, nice blinds, and nice carpet. Carpet throughout the bedroom. The kitchen has vinyl all the way back. On the right side is a slide out with a nice big couch that makes into a bed. Overhead cabinets. On the left side, a closet, overhead cabinets, concert tone, CD player and stereo with surround sound speakers throughout the camper, place for a TV, and a nice clean dinette. The cushions are in excellent condition. They're not worn at all. Couch is also in great shape. Not worn at all. In the back of the camper is the kitchen. Has a Dometic refrigerator and freezer. Is very nice and clean. A double sink. This unit does have the keys. 3-burner Wedgwood stove and oven. Don't look like it's ever been used. And a Magic Chef microwave. Just to the right of the kitchen area back there is the bathroom on the right. Has a stool, shower tub, power vent, medicine cabinet, nice corner sink with cabinet. Overall, this unit on the inside is very clean, no issues. Floor is nice and solid. Ceiling has central air throughout. No water damage. The inside is excellent. The outside is very nice. The only issues on this whole unit would be a couple of the stripes and a couple of the Forest River Surveyor logos are weather checked. Good luck bidding.